What's up, my good people? My name is Charity Kalunde and welcome back to my video. So for the new subscribers, karibuni sana, and for the returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. And if you're watching and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, tafadhali, it's free. Please hit that subscribe button and like, comment, share, and watch my previous video on how to make a so guys, today's video is all about some simple mat designs that you can make, and they're really friendly. So let's jump onto the video, and I'm really sorry for the noise. I'm shooting this video in my workplace. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you've learned one or two designs that you can make. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.